Good afternoon, everybody. This is Skanda from Deratech Machines India. It's October and it's 2024, which means it's EuroBLECH season, and Deratech is, as always, participating in EuroBLECH this year too. It's from the 22nd to the 25th of October. We are in hall number 12, that is 1212, located in booth number A Alpha 132. I would like to welcome all our Indian customers and sheet metal enthusiasts to our booth. Please do come and visit us. We have a lot of new products and developments that we have exhibited in the booth for the world market. I hope we see you there on the 22nd to the 25th. Our top management, our application team, our service team, everybody will be there. You can interact with all of us, find out what it's like to invest in a Deratech machine. Thank you very much. Please do contact us if you need any help in Hannover. We will be more than happy to help you.